Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm on today to start a brand new week, brand new year savings challenges, cash stuffing. I have returned to some of the savings challenges that I had from last year because I enjoyed them and I want to use them again. I do have some new ones incorporated into these binders, and I will be doing it on alternate weeks. So I'm going to start with the roll the dice binder because I need to do that one, and I also need to do my 100 envelopes challenge. The 100 envelopes challenge will always be done with the roll the dice. All the roll the dice are in here, and I have them here as well. So we'll get on with it. It's all about rolling the dice today. How have you been anyway since the new year? Hope well. I've not been bad myself. Just a lot of constant cleaning. You know, the chores has to be done. It's just got to be done. Now I'm going to, I'll put this to one side for a minute. I'm going to use, let's see, I think I'll do purple dice for the envelope challenge. The envelope challenge is I roll the dice, and whatever numbers it lands on, I count the envelopes and get to that number and stuff it, see how much I have to stuff. The envelopes are 5, 10, 15 and 20 pounds if my memory serves me right. Yes, because 20 is the highest, that's all I could afford, but I know it's doing very, very well. So let's do this. That's 3, 1, 2, 3, and let's see what envelope this is. That's a £20, and you know what, I thought I was so organized. I had everything all sorted, ready to record. Where's the money? I have the money here. So remember, we rolled 3 and counted 3 envelopes, 20 to stuff. I'll just count the money quickly. It's £140, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40. So we'll take 20 out for the envelope, and let's do another one. That's a 5 and 1, that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another 20. Another 20. Right, and I'll put them at the back. These are all the ones I have done so far. Lovely, so that's done. So now it's big roll the dice, and I am going to do white. Big roll the dice, and I'm just going to, do you know what, I'm going to treat myself to some bingo pens. You know, the big chunky bingo pens. I'm going to treat myself to some, because some of my colours are running out anyway. My Tombos are literally gone. That's 6 and 1, that's 7. 6 and 1. Let's do another one. That's 5 and 1, that's 6. 5 and 1. So that's 6, 11, 12, 13. So we'll just put 15 in for that. There we go, and let's get on to the small roller dice. I have to bring this one back. I think I've got one more challenge to do in that pile. Right, and I will start. That's 8, 2 4s, 8, 2 4s, 8. And shall I do another one? Shall I do another one? Yeah, why not? That's 6, 2 3s. That's 8 and 6. That's 8. That's 14. And we'll just put 15 in. I'm not quite sure if I want to bring back coins. I'm thinking about it. I did enjoy using my coins. Right, and then the mini green challenge. I'm bringing these ones back. Mini green challenge, and I will use the wooden ones for this. That's 3 and 4, that's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's £2. And I'm always forgetting. That's 2. 3 and 1, that's 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another £2. 6 and 1 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's £10. And let's do a few more, shall we? That's 2 and 1. That's 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. 6 and 6 is 12. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what have we got so far? Let's have a look, see what we have so far. We've got 2, 4, 6 and 10. That's 16. Add 1. Oh, that's 17. Okay, let's leave it at that. We'll round it up and put £20 in. That's fine with me. I'm happy with that. Put £20 in, and whatever's left over I may save it for my sinking funds, or I'll roll it over to the next savings challenges. Right, then we have, ta-da! The Roland Strike is back. I loved it so much. It was so mean to me, but I loved it so much. I thought I'd bring it back. And let's do red, shall we? Yeah, let's do a red. Okay, let's roll 1 dice, strike out the number rolled, play until you can't strike out anymore, color the remaining box and save that amount, then move to the next box. Let's do the green and wish me luck. 5, 6. That's it. 4 and 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 to put in here today, and let's leave it at that. Yep, we will leave it at that, and I will colour that in the green. We'll do green. Actually, I'll do blue. That's £10 for Roll and Strike. This Roll and Strike is from, is it Sam's Budgeting World? Sam's Budgeting World, I think it is. But I will leave her link in the description below for her channel. She's a creator here, budgeting creator, and she still has this in her shop, so her Etsy shop. So if you would like to get one, pop over, and I will leave a link for her Etsy shop as well. Really love that. The mini green challenge is Frugality is Life. I will also leave a link for her channel and her Etsy shop. I believe that she still has this in her shop, so you can pop over and have a look. That was wonderful. I like the beginning of this. I have no complaints. Everyone got a bit. I will colour in the rest later on when I'm sitting down and having a cup of tea. Well, I'm having a cup of tea now, but when I sit down and have another cup of tea, I'll just colour them in. It's very relaxing. So what did I do today? I did the 100 envelopes, the big roll the dice, the small roll the dice, the mini green challenge, and Roll and Strike, and I'm very happy for the start of bigger things to come. Now let's see what we've got roll over. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40. That is going to roll over into next week's challenges, or just depends. Sinking funds, just depends. I'll take it from there. Thank you so much for popping over to my channel and watching. If you did like this video, I would really be grateful if you gave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.